I got into Ideal Protein because I did the program myself over in Las Vegas, and I had a great coach over there, and I lost 11 pounds of body fat in 3 weeks. I didn't even think I had 11 pounds of body fat. I was very fit. I was, well, it was 7 years ago, so I was 50 years old. And, I was surprised at how quickly, how easily I felt good. In fact, I'd never felt better. I had this incredible amount of energy, and I was just burning body fat. I was getting leaner than I had been, I think, ever. It was amazing. So I just said, this seems to be something that I think the Bay Area it would be awesome in the Bay Area. So I brought it here and opened my clinic 7 years ago in 2012. And, I started with friends and family, and they referred me people. We have a referral-based business here, so we don't advertise. We, are just barely getting into maybe putting some things out on Facebook, but really most of the people that have come here have found us either online because somebody that they know did it in another area, or they have a friend who did it here, and we're really impressed with their results. And not only their results, but their ability to keep the weight off. So that's the beauty of Ideal Protein.